the first Virginia hemp crop harvest in decades. The 70-year-long ban on hemp cultivation in Virginia has been lifted. During the colonial era, it was a requirement for Virginia farmers to grow hemp. Today, hemp research isn't an option without state legalization. Luckily for Virginia, hemp is now legal. 29 licenses have been issued across 6 Virginia counties. Researchers are optimistic about the future of hemp for fiber and oil production. Industrial hemp is still facing scrutiny, but these small victories will lead the way to nationwide change.
The common misconception that hemp and weed are one and the same has hindered the growth of a vital industry in America. These plants are extremely different. For example, the THC level of hemp is less than 0.3%, whereas weed has a THC level of 5 to 35%. The appearance of the two plants are incredibly different as well. The hemp plant can grow upwards of 2 to 4 meters in 4 to 6 weeks, but the weed plant grows less than a meter to a meter, depending on the strain, in 6 to 8 months. Another difference is the amount of medical and industrial uses. For example, industries in countries where the growing of industrialized hemp is legal have used hemp as a concrete substitute, called hempcrete, as well as replacing the need for cotton, wood, petroleum, and acting as a good source of nutrition. The uses of industrialized hemp would be a cost-efficient and more eco-friendly substitute for the majority of today's industry. Weed, on the other hand, has no industrial applications and is used for nothing other than smoking. Finally, industrialized hemp has no hallucinogenic properties and you get nothing from smoking it. But with weed, its use is only for recreational and medicinal purposes, and it does have hallucinogenic properties. The grouping of these two definitions is incorrect. Due to the grouping of these definitions, industrial hemp is classed as a Schedule I drug and is illegal in 33 states, and in the others it is so heavily regulated that it can only be grown for research purposes. This is due to the Controlled Substances Act of 1970, an act which lumps industrial hemp and marijuana together.
Please visit votehemp.com and consider supporting HR 3530 so that we may have access to this vital crop and a better future.
Hemp for victory.